Hi, I'm Cheryl Ciecko, and I'd like to take this opportunity to invite you to a webinar that I am hosting. I am a licensed architect. My own family has been affected by environmental toxins in a lot of places, including in homes that we've lived in, and they've made us very sick. And fortunately, because I am an architect and because of my background, I have been able to solve a lot of problems that are challenging to other people, and we've been able to recover our health and are doing very well. I have a website, avoidingmold.com, and I have clients that I'm helping who are dealing with concealed water damage and a lot of challenges in their buildings, and I hear a lot of questions, and one of the biggest questions is how to find a safe home, or how to make a safe home, or is my home safe? And in this webinar, we're going to look at building defects that anybody can look for if they know what to look for. And so that can help you if you're trying to buy a new home, if you're trying to rent a home, if you're trying to investigate whether your own home could be a source of potential toxins or water damage and mold that you can't see, or that you can see, and where would it be coming from? Or also, if you're looking to build a home, this will still be a valuable webinar to participate in, because if you understand what the mistakes that we've made on other buildings, then you can take that knowledge about building defects and you can take that forward into the building that you're going to construct and make sure you avoid those mistakes.